exchange experience. I saw when you saw from the airport. So if you can blend your style with our style, I think you can make something really great. Otherwise, you're welcome. This is a very brief event, but basically, as tradition in Acholi says, when a guest like yours come, a friend indeed, we welcome you symbolically, and please feel free. Acholi is a very peaceful place. Acholi is rich environmentally. Acholi has a rich culture, and we will count you as an ambassador for Acholi since you came here. And we look forward to more cordial relations. So, without much ado, I just take the honor to hand over so that His Highness, probably before His Highness says something, you can say a brief word, and then he concludes.
All right. First of all, thank you very much for having me here. So, I have to tell you something. Your people received me very well. From the airport, the girls they were dancing. Now told me this is a traditional Acholi dance, and I love it. I dance with them. I try to do it, but it's difficult. So I had fun at the airport, and all this while I've been coming to Kampala and the Lugogo cricket. Performed about 4 times. So even when people contacted me that you need to Uganda, I said, you see the Kampala. And I told me about the new place that they think. I said, take me there, but even if in the village, I want to come. So, and since they started advertising it, I now get to know, oh, this place exists, you know. And one major problem I was having when I was home, I said, oh, I'm going to drive 8-9 hours. Unfortunately, God made it possible to open a new bridge today for me. Yeah! So, and what an infrastructure. See that water? I wish I have it in my country. The water looks beautiful. I know they say those videos are records. I record my video. I need to take it home. So I'll just say thank you very much for having me. And since I entered the city, you can see the crowd has been following me. It shows they love me so much. I don't know what is it they have for me, but tomorrow night when I'm performing, I'll find out what they have for me. Okay? And I will say, Your Highness, thank you very much for the people accepting me, and God bless you. Good health, good everything. Continue to rule your people love you, and God bless you, sir.
So, it's people reason. Yes, just for the delegation. I want to take this opportunity. I knew you over the media and things like that, but I was told recently that you are coming here. A few weeks ago, we were having a cultural festival of the Acholi. These are the people on the eastern side of Uganda. And while there, that is when one of the ministers of Uganda told me that you are having a festival and there is an international artist that is coming. And I didn't bother because I really attend to those. But later on I told you that that was okay. I said, wow, this is good. And this shows that our culture is one. And I want to thank you very much for spreading the African culture worldwide. Using music. And music in an African society has been, the mode of sending out messages. Whatever happens with us, we either preserve it in music, transmit it through music, remove it, and things like that. So you are one, and like the Prime Minister said, yes, you are an ambassador not only for Nigeria, but for all of Africa.
I regard Uganda as my second home.
Oh,
You
yes.
so much love me.
Oh yes, oh yes, and if you will have time to come and get a second home, please choose where you want.
Yeah.
Here, most yes, yeah. When time comes, then you come with us. Otherwise, you're most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And while here, I believe you are going to enjoy yourself. Apart from the business that you have
No, I've
come,
already started enjoying
take
myself.
time, enjoy yourself, connect with people, know the place, know the people, and all that. And I hope that with time you will still come back. This region, as much as you see the people quite happy, welcoming, that is embedded in our culture. We are a very resilient people because not long ago, this place was having conflict, armed conflict here.
Wow.
That took almost 20 years or more. But when the war ended, we recollected ourselves quickly, and that is what is, you can't believe that there was war, there were people who were living in camps here. The problem here is that because of the war, there is a bit of poverty. And with the beauty of the place, if they tell you that this is the second poorest community in Uganda, you won't believe. But that is what it is. And we are all working together to see that we go back to our normal economy. Because we depend on agriculture and with that, our animals. Yeah, so I welcome you once again, and I believe that this will not be the first time. We shall be seeing you and many others that you will introduce to this place in the future. I know you have traveled and you are tired, and you wish to go and rest. And my family here wants to take a picture with you.
So, anytime.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so-
And also, I have a special invitation for you for the event.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
I want to give you a special invitation.
So please accept my blessing
Thank you.
as you come here, because we Africans are one, and I believe that if you go to any part of Africa, there are so many similarities in our cultures and the way we live. The whole day. Excuse the word. And by the way, we belong to the Luo group. Luo. They are the Luo group, and I'm told that they are Luos in Nigeria, but definitely in South Sudan, all Sudan they are there, in Kenya they are there, in Ethiopia they are there, in Congo they are there, and in Tanzania they are there. And at the end of this month, we are all going to converge in Kenya. Let's go and have a festival there. And I believe that one of them, in the future, we shall have you there. Nice.
Good.
That one. That one.
Yeah, so in order for you not to forget us, I have a small gift for you. I have a small gift for you here. You take it along so that you can remember us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we're
So, let's take a picture with you two first before the family.
Now, the picture for the family will happen somewhere there, but you can take first line.
No, I think. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Is this better?
Yes. Yeah.
Now we'll have His Royal Highness's family members, the other side. So let them come over. The rest of us, we can stand aside.
Same side. The lighting is better there.
Family. Okay. Yeah, stand next to His Highness. Is that all? Are they all?
The boys are not around. We'll Photoshop them here and there.
Yeah.
Is the family of the Paramount chief of Acholi, Rudeboy.
Has it come?
Yeah.
Is that done?
Okay, my team. You guys.
Team.
This is my younger daughter.
Sorry, sir, can I shake her?